Now, we've all seen AI avatars before, but what about a character that can walk, act, move with the camera, and follow your exact instructions? Now, that's a first. Introducing Omnihuman 1.5, Dremina's cinematic level digital human model under ByteDance's CapCut brand, which delivers an experience like nothing you've seen before. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today, we're going to jump into Dremina's Omnihuman 1.5. A breakthrough that combines video and digital human features into one, letting your character actually act out what you direct. This means digital humans are no longer just generated avatars, they're fully controllable actors. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always. All right, to get started, head on over to Dremina.capcut.com. Let's go ahead and click on sign in. I'm going to continue with Google. All right, and this is going to land us on the main interface. If we come over to the very top, we're going to be on AI image automatically. We can click right here for AI video, and then here is AI avatar. AI avatar is where you're going to come when you want to leverage Omnihuman 1.5. For this first demo, I am going to start off with AI video at the very top here. So I have this selected, and then we'll see AI video selected right here. And then I'm going to come over to Video 3.0 Pro, which leverages CDance 1.0. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and upload a reference image. So here is my reference image. I'm going to go ahead and drop it in here just like that. So here's my image, a super photorealistic image of a girl. Looks like she's on some sort of a hike. Thought this was a good one. And I'm going to drop this prompt in the chat. She winks at the camera, then points forward as if inviting the viewer to join. The camera slowly pushes in on her face and slightly circles around her. Let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, here we go. Let's have a look at our generation. And right away, this is looking very, very impressive. The model has followed my direction exactly. So she's obviously pointing at the camera, and she gives the camera a subtle wink. And then the camera slowly starts to briefly just circle around her before it cuts off. But yeah, I'm super happy with this generation, and the consistency is very nice to see. All right, but now it is time to jump over to Omnihuman 1.5. So we've got AI avatar select right here. We've got AI Pro selected as well. We can see it's powered by Omnihuman 1.5. Now I have this image right here. It looks like a young couple walking home. And here's my vision. I'm going to have the boy say, "Wait, did you just copy my outfit again? It looks good on you." And I'm going to have the girl smile softly, glance down shyly, then look away and start walking ahead. Now in terms of the speech, this is exactly what the audio is going to be. Let's go ahead and open this.
Wait, did you copy my outfit again? It looks good on you.
All right, it looks like our generation is ready to go. Let's have a look.
Wait, did you copy my outfit again? It looks good on you.
All right, I'm very impressed with my generation here. So Omnihuman goes ahead and identifies which character is speaking and then allows the other character to react naturally. Now this means you can easily script short dialogues, group interactions, or even brand storytelling. Now this brings me into the next topic, which is audio semantic understanding. Omnihuman 1.5 doesn't just repeat text instructions, it analyzes your audio and drives actions and emotions accordingly. For example, if you upload a classic movie line or record your own voice, for instance, a happy tone is going to mean the character smiles and moves energetically versus a tense tone where the character's body language is going to be much more serious. It's like you're directing a virtual actor. The AI is going to adapt movement and expression to match the emotion in the voice. All right, we are going to move on to non-human characters. So here's the character that I have in mind. We have a realistic anime character style kind of a look. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload our character right here. And then I already have a voice clip that I feel is going to pair nicely with our character. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload that voice clip. It is 10 seconds long. And then here's the action description that I have in mind. The girl starts walking forward slowly while she's talking. Okay, then I'm going to make sure we've got Avatar Pro selected. Let's go ahead and click on generate.
Even if every path ahead of me is covered in shadows, I'll keep walking. Because giving up would mean losing the person I promised to become.
All right, there we go. We use an anime character this time, and the AI still delivers clean, realistic lip sync with Omnihuman 1.5. And this isn't just limited to realistic anime, it also works for animals and any other types of stylized artwork. All right, we are on a roll, so let's do one more for good measure. Remember that girl on the hike we generated at the beginning of the video, where we got her to smile and wink at the camera. I want to run that same input image again, but this time with Omnihuman 1.5 selected and a quick dialogue clip to go along with it. We want to make sure we're on AI avatar, and I'm going to go ahead and drag in that exact same photo, so it's right in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and upload this exact clip.
Tell me this isn't the prettiest place you've ever been. I swear, the air up here just hits different.
So it is all uploaded. It is a 6-second clip, and I am going to add a similar action description right here. The camera slowly pans toward the girl and slightly circles around here. Let's go ahead and click on generate.
Tell me this isn't the prettiest place you've ever been. I swear, the air up here just hits different.
All right, there it is. That is some seriously smooth stuff. Omnihuman 1.5 nails it. The lips, tone, expression, it all lines up perfectly with this scene. It is time for some final thoughts. So that is Dremina's Omnihuman 1.5, which takes digital humans from static avatars to controllable, expressive virtual actors. With the formula of image plus audio plus prompt, you can create nuanced, realistic emotional performances, animate multiple characters in a scene naturally, bring any subject to life, whether that's humans, pets, or fantasy creatures. Also, Dreamina does provide plenty of daily credits, so you can try it out for free. So if you've ever wanted to create a digital human that can actually act, now's your chance. Omnihuman 1.5 is officially here, so bring your characters to life, make them perform, and make them act as you wish. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always. Good luck and have fun with your creations.